Hello, Joe from Joe K Models here. So when I left off last time, I was talking about these gaps on the bottom. I already started to do some work on the back here, and I just used Mr. Surfacer to close up that smaller gap, and then I'm going to be doing a little bit more work in there, probably with some sprue glue to tie these longer pieces together. Probably not going to be perfect, but I'm going to do my best to make that look better. And then onto this part here, kind of the same strategy. I'm going to use Milliput since this is a bigger gap, and I have that right here, and that I think is the best solution for this. So how I'm going to approach that is I'm going to put some tape around here and then just get the Milliput ready, and then with some water get it to fill in the gap, and then with a hobby knife try and make these marks in there to tie it in to the way that the body is. And then again with the sprue glue, just being very careful and then tying these two sections in here to make it look like one piece. So that's how I'm going to approach that part of it. And then I also have this front glass piece that I did some work on the front here. I put some sprue glue to make this part flat, and then I was just doing a dry fit, and you'll see that there's also a small gap there, and the reason for that is this nose piece comes out a little bit from that. So I'm just going to take a flat filer here, and I'm going to file this flat and then put that piece in there so that it fits flush with that. So that's where I'm at right now, and I'm going to get going. Alright, and that's where I'm going to leave it off for this vlog. So as you can see, I did work on these gaps, adding Milliput. I'm letting the sprue glue dry right now, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some tape around it, and then I'm going to try and sand this to where it's smooth. I also put these turrets into place. I'm not going to have them sticking out with guns or anything. I'm just having them in the raised position. The guy that I'm building this for was a paratrooper, so I'm not going to be doing all the bombs and payload. I'm just keeping this pretty basic for that reason. These were used a lot as transports and to drop troops off, and had a lot of different uses. Also, this piece right here in the front, I scoured the directions and I couldn't find any type of reference to this piece, so I had to go through all the parts and figure out which one went here. I actually had some other pieces that looked like that they would fit together into there, and they kind of did, but luckily I checked again and I found this piece, which most definitely is the correct piece for that. So I got that glued in as well. So letting all of this dry right now. I also sanded the front part of this smooth so that the glass part in the nose area will fit flush on there as well. I'm going to be painting the inside that Russian gray color, and then dipping it in some clear to get that ready to glue to the front. So that being said, looking forward to the next vlog. This is Joe from Joe K Models.